Hey, good morning everyone. This is David and Ninette with Tigner Adventures. And today we have a new adventure. This will be fun. We have been in Yuma for 4 years now and we have not done a lot of things around this area. So today we are going out to the Valley of the Names. So this is a fun little trek that goes out to here. We're going to give you some history of what's going on. We're going out with a bunch of friends. So you might see some of them on here too, but we're going to go have fun. We'll give you a little history of what's going on in the Yuma area with that particular adventure. So you do need four-wheel drive, so we are riding with some other people that have four-wheel drive vehicles. And so let's get going.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh. Hi, goodbye. Let's go.
What you doing there?
So these are auto deflators. You set them to a certain pound, PSI, and then it.
So why are you taking the air out?
Make it a lot softer. The road's really rough, so that'll actually take out a lot of the extra bumps.
We're lowering the air pressure on the tires because the roads we're going to be driving on are fairly rough. Remember, this takes a four-wheel drive vehicle and it's really windy out here, so but it should be a lot of fun anyway. All right, we're just visiting right now, but looks like all the tires are done and we are ready to go. Okay, here we go.
Don't have any money, but we're going out. Yeah, we saved up every penny. I'm smiling at him in the blue shirt and the Converse, but I'm thinking about you. Are you thinking about me too? Vodka and soda, way too drunk to call you up. I am chain smoking, broken, I don't give up. So I'm crying, dancing, swearing I'll forget you, kissing strangers to feel something different. But I'm still your dancing queen, so damn sweet. And I type my name in this bar on a wall in a bathroom stall. Yeah, I was here.
All right, so we are at the Valley of Names, and you can see on my hat here, the wind is blowing really hard out here. But you can see, as you look out through here, you can see all these different names that are out in the, laying out on the landscape here. This goes for miles and miles. So a little bit of history about this is that back in World War II, the troops were all stationed. There was a lot of troops stationed out here for training and things like that. Clear from here up to Vegas, all around, clear into California while we're in California. But this whole area was, had troops out here, and they were bored, and so then they started just playing around, and so that was actually called Graffiti Hill back then, because they started going around and picking up rocks and putting their names out there. And you can tell a lot of these have been here for a long time, clear back since World War II. In present day time now, this is called the Valley of the Names. So this whole area has just got tons and tons of rock names that have been put out through here. And the thing is if you want to do this, you really need to bring the rocks with you. And some people have actually been starting to bring bricks out and painted bricks out and things like that, and they're kind of cheating. But most of this was just done with cinder rock back in World War II time. And there's really no rocks around here per se, and so they figured that a lot of these rocks were just brought in from the mountains behind us and things like that. So, but they, they just went through and did all this as just a pastime, and then it just became a big thing. So this is one of those quirky things that's around Yuma that's pretty cool to come out and see. So this is our first time out here. We've been here 4 years, but it is pretty interesting to look out through the landscape here and just see all the cool things all the names, and you can come out here and put your own name out here. There's nothing wrong with doing that. So far, what we've been traveling on has just been regular roads, so a regular vehicle could make it out here so far. Wouldn't have been too big of an issue to drive out here. Ours is front wheel drive, and so our front end is fairly light, so we could end up having some problems as we drove out here. But you know, if you know how to drive on off-road, then you can make it work. But as you go out through the rest of this terrain out through here, you definitely need four-wheel drive because it's a lot of sand, and that's why they lower the tire air pressure also, is to make it so that you know, we don't get stuck in the sand. Found a dead end, so we got to turn around. I'm sure there's a lot of those out through here. You found a stick, Nitro? Huh? Did you find a stick? You found a big one. Yeah, you did. Oh, you want me to throw it? Okay. Todd is going to go up the hill here. We should have taken bets. I'm not sure he should have started out by spinning his wheels all the way. Yeah. It's pretty soft sand. And he hasn't aired down the tires on this vehicle.
They're having a stick off.
They're having a stick off? Oh, here comes the other one. Oh, you missed the stick, buddy.
He's like, okay, you just hold on to it. I'll chew this side. Yeah, thanks.
All right, we're trying it again with the Suzuki. The Jeep kept shutting everything down as soon as the wheels started to spin. Oh, look at that. That's a winner for Suzuki. Jeep fails.
That was a one and done.
All right, we have another Suzuki gonna do this. Oh, no problem. Two Suzukis.
Suzuki's putting the Jeep to shame.
What do you think you're doing?
I'm going to try and climb that hill.
You're gonna do this?
I'm going to do it.
Okay, let's see if she can do it.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
I can't even get over the stump.
Holy cow, wild woman. Oh, look at that. It only took her one try. Todd had to do it 3 times. So, what do you think? She did it with one time.
She's better than me.
Yeah, apparently.
No, it's actually the vehicle.
She's a woman, maybe?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you have to say for yourself?
No problem at all. The Zook did it,
Yep.
and I helped. It was fun.
Well, we have finished. Now we have the fun of airing all the tires back up again. Okay, we have had a lot of fun today. That was pretty cool. Just even the seeing the names and everything was really cool, but the Jeep little thing that we did, that was kind of fun and everything. We've had a lot of fun out here today with our friends, so it's been good. So one thing that we want to make a note, just a sec, I'll come back to you, is if you're going to go out there to put names out there, you for sure have to take your own rocks. And don't bring bricks and crap. Bring something that's natural looking. So
I couldn't find my own name.
Well,
Gotta go to Canada to get my name.
I actually didn't see my name out there either,
I saw
though.
Dave.
You did? Uh-oh. Who was I with?
I'm not going to tell you.
So, okay, well, anyway, so we had a lot of fun. We had fun with our friends and a bunch of them back there, and we appreciate them going and taking us out today. So that was a good little adventure. So, anyway. All right, well, we'll just hope to see you guys down the road somewhere, and if not, then on our next adventure on our video. So, take care.
Bye.